Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video on how to grow a pineapple. So this is actually a beautiful giant pineapple that I got from a man that sells vegetables in a truck not too far from me. So what you do is you're gonna take this pineapple and you're gonna grab it right here. Okay? You're gonna grab it right there with your hand right here. And then you are going to twist. You're going to twist the pineapple so you get the head or the stalk or whatever the heck it's called. Boom, there it is. So now we're going to take this off of it and we are going to peel some of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to peel it. You want to get it nice and peeled so that you give your pineapple a good opportunity to grow roots, because it will grow roots and it will look actually I like the way they look before they go into the ground. Sometimes I don't even put them in the ground because I just love to see them in water growing roots. But it is very important that you peel this so that the roots have a place to grow from. So now when you do all this, and after it gets roots, you're gonna put it in the ground if you want to, and then it's gonna take a couple of years. But what's pretty is, if you just leave it as a plant, you'll have a little tiny pineapple on top of it, which looks really cool. You know, I've done it a few times. So now you have your pineapple and you have a jar of water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit it in water and you're done. And you leave it there and change the water once a week so that you know, it's not gross. And if you want, sometimes put it outside, put it by the window, put it where it gets some sunshine. But once you get roots here, once you see the roots, you put it in some good soil and you leave it and you have a beautiful plant. That's all there is to it.